Welcome to Learn Something New channel. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day, which marks the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. Pandit Nehru, who was born on November 14, was immensely popular among children and was fondly called Chacha Nehru. He was a prominent leader and a great freedom fighter who fought hard for India's independence and took oath as the first Prime Minister of the country in 1947. He served as the Prime Minister of the country for more than 16 years with a vision to make India a world leader. During his regime, he advocated for children to have compulsory education and was a very vocal about their rights. He believed in the ideology that children are the future of the nation and so it is crucial to nurture and educate them properly. Children's Day is not all about giving gifts to kids and organize events for them. It is a day to realize their importance in a nation building and provide them the opportunity to open their wings and fly high to achieve their goals. He always said that it is a duty of every country to provide quality education to their children and ensure that they enjoy good health. Every country must empower their young minds as they are the future generation and the development of the country depends on them. Once Pandit Nehru said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way they bring them up will determine the future of the country. After the independence of India, the government has made many schemes for the developments of children, their education and health. But even today, many children do not get their rights. The meaning of Children's Day cannot be fully meaningful until every child in our country gets his fundamental child rights. Child abuse and child labor must be completely eradicated. No child should be deprived of education due to economic reasons. The benefits of all the scheme for child welfare should reach the children. On the occasion of Children's Day, we all should together spread awareness about child rights. So, this Children's Day, let's take a pledge to ensure that every child in this country enjoy equal rights, safety and quality education. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you everyone and I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel.